all right, YouTubes. We're gonna head out and hang some evaporator coils in a big walk-in box. Probably get as far as hanging some hangers and drilling a hole today. Then I can measure up the pipe, see how much pipe I need, and I'll probably get the pipe tomorrow and then start piping this box. But let's get you out there and we'll take a look at it. All right, YouTubes. All right, some stuff we got my drill, big hole saw with an extension, aircraft drill bit, long one. I'm gonna hang it with some carriage bolts. We'll get this thing going. Got some rubber gloves. We'll get in there. There's the boxes in there. Let's do this. All right, I'm laying out my coils in here, and I'll show you how I'm laying them out for where I'm putting them in the box. All right, I'll show you how I laid the box out. What I did was I just found the center of the box. I measured it across, found the center, and then I found the center of both of these leftover halves, if you will. Then I centered the evaporator coil off the center of each portion of the box. And that's how I laid the coil out. Nothing spectacular, no rocket science. That's just how I ended up laying the evaporators out in the cooler. There to level out the coil. I got my aircraft bit and my drill, and I'm going to drill my first hole. And I'll make sure it's all squared up, and then I'll drill the rest of them. And then we'll put the carriage bolts in, and we'll get this thing lagged up. And then we'll go for the next coil after that. All right, that's one down. Yeah, one more to hang. And then we got to hang a bunch of hangers and get a hole drilled for the pipe, which is probably going to work out really good. Here. And then fall down. Dun, 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 dun. All right, now I'm gonna get my tape measure and square it up. You gotta be careful on your job site sometimes. You might trip over a big old bag of caulk. All right, this is the top of the box. You couldn't get a better location to work on. You know, you're not crawling in an attic or whatever. There's a nice commercial roof here. It's working out pretty good. All right, there they are. They're installed. So travel time from the house to install about 1 hour and 10 minutes to hanging. Not bad. Now we got to, I'm gonna lay out my hangers for my liquid line and my suction line, and we'll look at that further. And I'll probably film up a bunch of the piping, and it's gonna be all right. Oh yeah, these come as a kit. And for you new guys, so each coil has its own solenoid valve, but you want to run both solenoid valves from one thermostat. You don't want two separate thermostats. You want one thermostat to control the whole box. And on this one, it's mounted on the back of the coil because these are the built-up ones. And that is the thermostat that I like with the defrost, the A421 ABD02C. So that is your defrost timer and your thermostat. This is gonna be nice. All right, so I got my coils hung. I'm laying out some unistruts I'm gonna chop. So I'm gonna get them hung so I can run my pipe. I'm gonna put a hole in the box. I'm gonna come out of the top of the box. I'm gonna come over, come across this wall, and then out. They're gonna core a hole in the cement, come out, and then down this wall to the condensing unit. They still got to finish up the pad here and stuff. So let me get these chopped and hung, and that's where we're gonna be at.